Hi guys, Ron. Take tips, take stuff. How's it going? How is everyone handling the 1 hour extra sleep we got last night? Now we're on daylight standard time. I loved it. I got an extra hour to be awake. I get up at 4 o'clock every morning and I just absolutely love it. Anyways, I got some news for you guys. Magic's released a special they have on Vegas Pro 18. And normally this time of year it goes on sale for $150 US. But they did something even better. They packaged it with Mercalli. And what Mercalli, if I'm pronouncing it right, it's the best image stabilization program in the world. It does an absolutely amazing job at stabilizing your footage. It comes bundled now with Vegas Pro 18. This is only till November 11th. So if you're on the fence whether to get Vegas Pro 18 or not, now is the time to get Vegas Pro 18. Trust me, I tried Mercalli out. I'll put a link in the description where you can download a trial of it, of Mercalli. Test it with your shakiest footage, and you're going to be absolutely amazed how well this program stabilizes video. It's better than DaVinci, way better than DaVinci. And it's a $300 program coming bundled now with Vegas Pro 18 until the 11th of November. One other thing. I have a new t-shirt line coming out. I'll put the link or picture in the upper corner here of what the shirts are going to look like. If you could buy one, it would really help the channel. You can support the channel. I get a small commission on the sales of these t-shirts, but it would really help me out. Funds are really tight right now with everyone in the world is going through this right now. But funds are really tight for me because I want to do giveaways. So I can't do it every week. I'm going to do giveaways once a month, and I need extra funds to raise money for the giveaways. And it's not just the giveaways, it's also the shipping. Shipping stuff half around the world is extremely expensive. So those two things, Vegas Pro 18 is now bundled with Mercalli image stabilization. I'll put a link down below, affiliate link for Vegas Pro. If you can buy from my affiliate link, I get a small commission as well. Helps out the channel. But check out Mercalli. If you got some shaky video, stabilizing in Mercalli is very, very simple to use, and you're going to be blown away how good the quality is. And one other thing, guys, I want to give a shout out to somebody here. And I don't like just singling the one person out because I feel it's unfair to the other subscribers. And I have so many friends I've made on YouTube. But there's one guy, I'm going to put a link to his channel below. His alias is Shroom. And he's from Australia. He has a fishing channel. A very successful fishing channel. He gets in his live streams. I don't know how many people he had in his live streams last night. He had I think it was almost a 2-hour live stream on fishing. If you're into fishing, you gotta check out his channel. Shroom is an awesome guy. His live streams, I'm learning from him because he does awesome live streams. He's full of energy, beautiful smile. He's just a real good guy all in all. So just want to update you on those 3 things. And just wanted to wish you happy November. November 1st, just think, 6 more months in North America, spring is here. Just wait, 6 more months and spring is here. And also, one more thing. I'm going to be starting a gaming channel. I'll let you know the details of that later. But once again, have a happy November 1st, and take care, guys. See you later.